It's so quiet. Well, good morning, ladies and germs. Oh. We are on our way to the science speed meet, and yeah. I was gonna say, it's a face I haven't seen in a hot minute, dude. Man? Good.
To see ya.
Yeah.
I was just looking for my buddy Sean, is in the red. This NSX has 426,000 miles.
Does it really?
Unbelievable.
Putting you to shame.
Yeah, I did a video on it recently, but I just was gonna catch up and see like if anything's broken since last time.
Yeah.
What are you up to?
Just fucking working.
Just making the rounds.
Yeah, just trying to do the shop stuff.
By the way, congrats on the new place and all that.
I appreciate it.
So
yeah.
where's your? Is it out on the east side, kind of like where you
Tempe.
were? Oh, really?
Yeah, it's
nice.
Price in the Price in Maine.
Yeah. So what all cars are you juggling right now? Still fucking like understeer.
Why are you trying to bully me with my own stuff?
Have I ever not done that?
True.
You're welcome.
Just walking out there.
Sweet.
Sadowski getting some pipe.
To give to your mom. All right. So it has been a hectic morning. So we went to the Science of Speed annual S2000 CTR NSX meet. It was fun, hung out there all morning, but now we just got some lunch at this really good barbecue, like Mexicali joint. And yeah, so everybody else is, you know, parked up and down the road and behind me, and yeah. But I gotta go, jeez, can't even put my glasses on. I'm gonna go pick up some parts to start piecing together a hydro setup on the E36 so I can do some even better, you know, skiddy boy stuff. So let's go over to Billy's house. That's the owner of the brakes that I'm buying. But yeah, head over to his house really quick, and then we're all just gonna go hang out at the shop today. Alex has some wheels to mess with at the shop, got some money to make. And I'm just kind of hanging out for the day. I'm waiting on material for a job that's at the shop, and I'm waiting on other jobs to show up here in the next couple weeks. So thankfully the workflow is starting to pick back up, so I'm very thankful. But yeah, let's just go grab these brakes and meet up with everybody. We can probably...
You missed it, you ran into the gutter.
Oh, I saw it.
Oh, I hit the gutter?
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck that gutter.
Man, oh man.
So, okay. What's up,
How's it working?
Great. Reverse mount is fun. Look at these wide boys.
Yeah, they look pretty dang. A little thick.
Fun stuff.
You
Piece
broke
of shit
it.
Civics, dude, I tell you.
What did you break?
I broke the plastic support tube for the cable for the in-out
I
forker.
don't even understand how you managed to do that. So yeah.
So the bottom of it shattered somehow. Yeah, get that really in there. Jesus, that's usable footage. So the bottom shattered somehow right there. Hey, Tristan, shift it. So my cable just comes out now.
Hey, goes back into first again.
Yeah, it was like counted it in.
Oh, there goes second, third. Hey, we got fourth though.
Maybe just sleeve it with something.
Nope, there goes first.
Yeah, we'd have to get something around it.
Oh, you don't know anybody with cables, do you? Other
I
than
mean, I'll have cables here on Tuesday, and then we'll just fix it.
Oh.
Reverse just pops out sometimes.
So you just won't be able to go to the track tomorrow.
Yeah, so no track for me tomorrow.
R.I.P.
That was nowhere near the original position of the weight. So
No. Yeah, that should help a little bit. What's up, dude?
Oh, you actually got her?
We're just,
we got her, bud.
you know, balancing up some fucking
He's even got the black weights.
Oh, I know.
Fancy.
Nice.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, I figured that there was going to be a pretty decent amount of, you know, black wheels on top of the gray wheels. So
Yeah.
it's nice to just
They
kind
look
of be
nice though, like,
matchy-matchy.
especially when the wheels are clean, you really can barely see them.
Yeah. So it'll be nice. It'll be good.
Yeah, like actually the camera even barely picks them up. Nice and sleek.
That is creamy, guys.
You're not making any money on that.
That was fucking creamy. Oh god, dude.
Oh, as it sinks in.
YouTube is 100% me like,
Touch it with your finger, Alex.
No. I right, rotation this way, so.
Bonk. Oh.
Violence is always the answer.
Yeah, that's why we're in the Middle East.
Hold your horses there, Alex. Holy crap.
You said hold your horses, bitch. You're the slow one.
I'll back it up a little bit. I'll back it up.
Alright, there you go.
You guys are like building the railroad.
A railroad of.
Get in there, buddy.
No, they're doing it Lego stuff.
Yeah.
Actually,
Yeah.
can we get the tire?
Yeah, it would be
Over the.
really optimal if we could. I don't want to pry it against the fucking face.
You need some movie lube on that?
Fucking insert bad word I can't say on Chris's video.
Which one? You have many.
Okay, ready?
Insert anti-LGBT word.
There you go. Go.
Gender.
Nice. Thank you.
Hell yeah, bud.
Yeah, brother.
Easy peasy. Easy morning.
Yeah, working
Yeah, we're working on getting these funky tires put on. Super stiff sidewall, not a super nice machine, just, you know, making it work. But I don't know if I showed you guys because I didn't film it. We got all new lights up in here. So it's actually bright in here, which is really, really nice. Because before this place was pretty dark and this whole corner over here was not lit up. So now we have all the light that we could need. And I'm stoked. Got another surprise coming for this wall in a couple of days. Alright, so next day now, we're just hanging out at the house today. Still waiting on material for some of the projects at the shop. Well, that EK that's at the shop. So this video, you know, kind of just random, we're hanging out. But this video is kind of important because we got something to give back to you guys. Let's go outside and show it really quick. So also, my new bumper for the E36 just showed up, which is this guy right here. So I'm gonna unbox that here in a minute and show you guys, because as you guys know, this front bumper that's on here is a little wrecked. So just got it like that. You know, there's so many random screws hanging, you know, tying this thing together. So I'm kind of, you know, hating it. But yeah, we got something to give away. Let's unbox it. All right, come in here really quick. Oh, I did want to show you guys. Oh yeah, also this is my little shed. You know, we're still kind of unpacking, getting things moved over from the move into this new house here. So I still got most of my car stuff over at my dad's house yet in the shed there. But what I picked up yesterday is a set of Willwood dual calipers for the rear end of the E36. So this is going to be awesome because this is going to allow me to run a true hydro setup instead of just like the e-brake extension, because I'm having troubles with it. You know, it's annoying stretching the cables out and having to readjust them every couple of, you know, times you go out. So yeah, this is going to be a true dual caliper setup, not an inline. I'm just going to, you know, get its own reservoir and everything for it. But yeah, pick these up locally because the guy that bought them for the compact, which is the TI, which uses E30 rear suspension instead of E36. So yeah, super stoked on that. But Max Speeding Rods actually hooked us up, and we're not going to be using this for any of our cars. We're going to be giving it to one of you guys. So as you guys know, Max Speeding Rods has been a sponsor of the channel here for a couple of years now. They've hooked me up with all my turbos since the Del Sol, which was, you know, quite a while ago now. Now, you know, yeah, Max Speeding Rods is a little bit on the lower tier of, you know, product stuff like that in the community eyes. So I can't really knock them too much. I mean, I just use the turbos. I've only ran their suspension once, and that was on a car I didn't own for very long. And it was their older stuff. Now, I've heard lots of great stuff about this new stuff. So these that we're giving away are a set of their new T6 coilovers. Now, if you guys watch Young Static, I believe he's given away a set or two. You know, John Widmer, aka Garage Built Hondas, I believe he's given a set away or two. And, you know, thankfully now it's my turn. But Max Speeding Rods is great because they give small content creators such as myself an opportunity to you know, share and get a chance at, you know, stuff like this, sponsorships, products, trials, you know, stuff like that, which helps somebody like me build up their PR portfolio, you know, public relations stuff, you know, because it looks good for the bigger guys eventually when you start going to reach out to them with sponsorships. You can be like, hey, you know, I worked with these guys, I worked with these guys, etc. So I'm thankful for Max Speeding Rods hooking it up because of stuff like that. Now, the turbos, honestly, I have no complaints. Like, you're limited, obviously, but if you're just getting boost done, you know, they do a great job. So the suspension, though, I've heard pretty good things about these, so let's open them really quick to show you guys. I will, you know, retape it before I ship it. But yeah, let's open it and talk about it. I just put it on the floor because it was kind of in the way. So look at this stuff that we got here. So I like this badge. It actually has a raised texture to it. I mean, technically this is, well, no, it is a badge, I guess. It looks kind of like one you would slap on the back of a car. So of course you get that. You get your branded spanner wrenches here with the Allen keys to adjust the, you know, screws and stuff on top there. Probably take the, you know, the adjustment dial off for the dampening. But this is the coilover itself in all of its glory right here. So look at that. Nice pretty blue springs. You got the nice CNC'd lock rings. And then nice pillow ball top mount up there. That's all CNC'd as well. Got your dampening adjustment rod, or, you know, adjustment dial right here. Nice crisp feeling. So yeah, works pretty well. And yeah, so these do have full dust boots in here. They look nice and oily, so that's good. In a good way, oily. Not like, you know, it's leaking oily, but like, whatever, you know what I mean. But yeah, so these are going to be, if you can tell, Honda Boys by the shocks mounting style. This is for DCEG. So, you know, EK, DA, you know, Accord, EF guys, I do apologize. This is what they sent me to give away. So yeah, we're going to be doing DCEG, EH, whatever you want to call it, you know, purists. And yeah, so the cool thing about these shocks is they are pretty darn solid. So the spring rates are going to be an, I want to say a 8K and a 5K rear. So, you know, my personal preference, because I do a lot of the track stuff, I do a lot of canyon driving, I think 8K, 8K, or 10K, 8K is a good thing. Like 8K, 6K is pretty decent. I like that a lot too. But for my style of driving, I personally like a little bit stiffer rear end of the car. So that's just me. I like the rotation, helps me handle it. But yeah, 8K, 5K, pretty soft in the rear, but it's going to be a nice aggressive feeling, and you're not going to be breaking your spine, especially with the dampening adjustment. You know, fine tune it that way. It's going to feel solid. And I have not driven on these before, to be honest, but I have had their old version. Honestly, they were kind of hit or miss. Some of them were good, some of them were bad right out of the box, but nonetheless, they worked. But there is other folks out here like John Widmer, aka Garage Built Hondas, who has tracked these things and tried and true them. There is Deadbeat Garage and also Young Static. I believe they have done like launch tests on these and doing the drag stuff. And I believe they've all been given chances to give these away as well. And, you know, honestly, for the bang for your buck, you really can't go wrong. I mean, $400, or in this case, whoever gets these for free, or, you know, at a, you know, entry cost or whatever. But yeah, it's really not bad. So, you know, dampening fluid wise, they don't tell you what fluid they use in here. They just say it's a high performance, you know, high viscosity fluid. So I really can't say on that aspect of it. But, you know, the build quality overall is much better than their old stuff, the ones that you could get on eBay for like $200. So, yeah, they really don't seem bad at all, so guys. So to enter this giveaway, though, again, DCEG guys only, unless somebody else wants to enter and just, you know, for the heck of it, if you want to resell them, if you want to trade them, if you want to do whatever with them, that's up to you. But I will be making a new little t-shirt design. I'm going to go on Fiverr tonight, have somebody draw something up. So we will be giving away these coilovers, and basically I'm just going to use like a t-shirt as a buy-in because I have to pay for shipping on these. And, you know, your boy don't make a whole lot of money right now. Just moved shops, just bought a house, so I love you guys, but I'm not from that cost. I don't really feel like putting out the money to ship these things out of pocket. So, yeah, we're going to be doing a t-shirt buy-in, which is also going to help me keep track of who entered. And then, you know, at the end of it, we'll do a, you know, online raffle thing, whatever it is. But yeah, so I'm going to make a new t-shirt for it. That way I make a few bucks to cover the shipping costs if we sell enough of them, hopefully. And then it's also free marketing for me because then my shirts are out there. So, yeah, stay tuned for that. I want this video to go up now, which is i.e. tomorrow, probably Monday. Today's Sunday, the 3rd, whatever, 4th. But yeah, so look out for the next video. I will have full details with the new logo drawn up. I'm going to do something probably with the DA and make it look kind of cool. You know, hopefully entice more Honda guys to get it. But yeah, anyways, guys, I don't really have much else to show you. I mean, we got the coilovers all ready to go, so I'm going to, you know, retape this box up, get it ready for the winter. I'll throw in some stickers of my own to put in there. We got the new brakes. We got the new, you know, bumper for the BMW. Yeah, anyways, guys, I'm going to just cut the video off here. Had some fun hanging out with the boys yesterday, go to that car meet. And hopefully you guys are looking forward to this giveaway because it's been a long time since I've done one. Because I think the last one was honestly a skateboard a long time ago. But yeah, anyways, guys, thanks for spending some time out of your day here with me. If you want to stick around, you know, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment. Let me know how your day is going or what you want to see next. Because, you know, there's just a lot going on. I'm just trying to focus on the shop. And yeah, I want to hear your guys' input too. And anyways, guys, Do it yourself. Figure out the rest. See you in the next one. Peace out.